Welcome to Leicester de Montfort Law School, home to the innovative Law Lab Enterprise. The Law Lab Enterprise bridges the gap between academic learning and real-world legal practice, giving students hands-on experience to excel in their careers. It is built around 5 key areas. The Justice Clinic provides live casework experience with local lawyers and charities, helping students develop practical skills while supporting access to justice. DMYou connects students with professionals through mentoring, networking events and competitions like Tiger's Temple. Aspiring barristers can also take part in the Bar Futures programme. The Law Academy offers short courses focused on essential professional skills, including training at our Conflict Resolution Centre. Law Global prepares students for international careers through collaborations with universities worldwide. And the Law Lounge fosters social and professional connections through podcasts, book clubs, and a student buddy scheme. The Law Lab Enterprise is designed to give students real-world experience, industry connections, and the power skills to thrive in legal practice. Come and discover the Law Lab Enterprise at Leicester de Montfort Law School, where we are redefining legal education.